going to show you how to remove the battery door on a Nikon D3100. The removal of the door is necessary to use a camera grip attachment such as the one from Miki, Newer, or Photix. Open the battery compartment on the bottom of the D3100 camera body and then remove the battery if one is in the compartment. Raise the battery door to about a 33-degree angle, then pull with gentle, even pressure on the plate. This grip has a storage place for your battery door so you don't lose it. Slide the battery door into the storage area. With the battery door off, simply slide the grip into place. Use the thumb wheel to tighten the grip to your camera body. This grip has two battery compartments. If using a single battery, it can be placed into either slot. If using two batteries, they're connected in parallel to provide additional shoot time for the camera. This video was shot using a Nikon D3100.